Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, updated fix unknown USB device descriptor request failed. Right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Right-click Problematic Device, click Properties. Copy hardware ID. Type / paste copied text. Right-click New DWord 32-bit value named as Enhanced Power Management enabled, change value data to 0. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.